Hey YouTube, yeah, so this is my 4th of July vlog, or vlog, what I did for 4th of July. Somehow my beginning clips from this day had been deleted off my phone. I don't know how I accidentally did it, but I accidentally did that. So I don't have the footage from the morning, from the beginning of my clips for the 4th of July. So basically, in this vlog, you guys, I had, got dressed, took some cute little pictures, cute little face pictures or whatever. Went by my great aunt house. My DJ, he had went by his mom's house and, his family house. His mom had did my eyebrows or whatever and put on me some lashes, because she had wanted to do that. And so I had, I was like, okay. And so, yeah, so you'll see how that turned out, how that came out to look. But yes, I didn't really do too much for the 4th. Then later on that day, I had ended up cooking some little hot dogs and some potatoes and something else. It was good. And some mac and cheese. It was a little awkward combination, but it turned out to be really, really delicious. It was good. It was something for the 4th because I wanted something, but I was on a budget. So yes, that was good. We demolished that. Then we had ended up going to the park and popping firecrackers while it was still daytime. Then we ended up going to on Pike Avenue in North Little Rock. If you guys are familiar with North Little Rock, then you know what I'm talking about. We had went off over there to that area, and we had popped firecrackers over there. We had popped the rest of them or whatever, and it was really, really fun. And so I'm going to insert all those clips, and I just hope everyone have a blessed day and just stay safe and just, and you guys know I haven't got the apartment together all the way. You guys, it might be me standing here by myself soon. I don't know yet. You never know. Things can change soon, but either way I go, I still got to get my vanity over here and things like that. You guys, it's still needed or whatever, so it's a lot that's still needed. And yes, but I'm going to let you guys continue on to the video. So yes. Yeah, the police have came and said it's gonna be a big fireworks later, so no need to. They told us no need to start a fire at the park, but
hell nah, cause it's the 4th. They ain't coming that shit. Fuck up.
But the thing is, North Little Rock hot than motherfucker. Let's go to y'all. My boyfriend don't listen. I told him not to do it, and he done had. Okay, get it and hurry up, please. Don't listen. Okay, y'all, I'm back. We are about to leave the park. Firework trash needs to go in the back. Who was it?
All these motherfucking fucking fireworks. Police always on the face and shit.
They just don't want people popping them at the park. They're talking about something about a fire.
Ain't nobody finna start no damn fire at this damn park.
Plus, they is gonna pop them. They is gonna start popping.
Hey, I can drive and I got it.
I was just trying to help you out, Well, we're leaving the park, so I'll get back at you guys. Pointed, yeah, that way. Don't get it.
I'm empty.
Well worth this money.